Not too long ago, in a big city, there was a special little place. It was a place for all the fairies to come together, to sit together and play and sing songs. The place was so magical and so special that more fairies joined in. And they loved this place so much because they had a very special friend here. Their friend's name was Teddy Kitty. Teddy Kitty thought he was a fairy too. So he sat there and played with fairies all day long. And when he got tired, he took naps with them. Who's going to tell Teddy Kitty that he's not a fairy? Ooh, Teddy Kitty, you're not a fairy. I don't think he cares. Bye-bye, little fairies. Bye-bye, Teddy.